Friends, after forward and lateral movement of the spine in sitting position, in the last video, we now proceed to its lateral movement in standing position. So slowly come to the standing position. Keep your feet little more apart than your hips. Stretch your hands sideways at the shoulder level so that palms face the floor. Inhale, and as you exhale, bend sideways to the left side, lifting the right hand up. Keep watching the upper hand. Next time, inhale, and as you exhale, bend sideways to the right side, lifting your left hand up. Keep watching the left hand. Repeat in the same manner 6 times in all. That is, you will be bending 3 times to your left and 3 times to your right alternately. After doing this, we proceed to do backward bend of the spine. For this, you can use 2 blocks or 2 thick books behind your back. You can keep them about 8 inches away from your hips. Lean back into the blocks with fingers pointing to the spine. If you find this difficult, change the position of palms so that fingers point away from the spine. Rest your palms on the blocks and lift your head up. Look up, exhale, and come back to the neutral position. Do not bend your elbows. Keep your arms straight. Repeat it for 2 more times. Last time you repeat it, inhale, push your chest forward, lift your chest, look up, and stay there for 3 breaths. In case you feel dizzy, just keep your chin on the chest, but keep pushing your chest forward. If you are comfortable, you can lift your head up and then drop it back. Exhale and come back to the neutral position. Repeat the same by keeping your palms on the blocks so that fingers are pointing towards the spine. This you might feel slightly difficult, so do as much as you can do comfortably. Do not really push yourself to do it. So this way we are done with all the spinal movements: forward, lateral, backward, and sideways bend in sitting and standing position. After this, we focus on the hip rotation. So come back to the standing position. Keep your feet as wide as your hips. And in the first step, rotate your hips in the clockwise direction to make 3 small circles. And then repeat it in the anti-clockwise direction, again 3 small circles. This will allow the hip area to open up, the pelvis to open up. After this, we increase the distance between the feet little more so that it is more than your hip width. and we do a bigger circle, allowing hip to go to all the four sides in the clockwise direction, and then repeat it in the anti-clockwise direction 3 times in each direction, and then relax. This completes movement of spine and the hip rotation.